So here we have our example. F of x is equal to x squared minus 3. So our goal for this topic is to find the root of this function using bisection method. So before we proceed, we always remember that our root will lie in a negative and a positive interval. So first we need to find the value where our x is start at 0. So we have f of x is equals to f of 0 rather 0 is equals to 0 squared minus 3. So we have negative 3. Next, for x is equal to 1, we have f of 1 is equals to 1 squared minus 3. So we have negative 2. And next, for our x is equals to 2, we have f of 2 is equals to 2 squared minus 3 equals 1. So since here our sign of the function is changed, so we know that our root is lying in the between 1 and 2, where our a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 2. So here we will put our values. We have 1 and 2. So function of a, which is function of 1, we will have negative 2. Our function of b, which is function of 2, we will have 1. So for our c, here we have this formula for c, b plus a over 2. So we have 2 plus 1 over 2. So we will have 1.5. And by substituting this 1.5 in our function, we will have negative 0.75 for our function of c. And for b minus a, we have 2 minus 1, so we have 1. So since our function of c is negative, so our value for a will be changed in our next iteration. So we have 1.5, then 2. In function of a, which is 1.5, we have negative 0.75. Next we have function of b, we have 1. The next for c, we have 2 plus 1.5 all over 2, we will have 1.75. And for function of c, we have 0.0625. And for b minus a, we have 2 minus 1.5, we have 0.5. So our f of c is positive. So our value for b will be changed in our next iteration. So we have 1.5, then 1.75. In function of a, we have negative 0.75. For function of b, we have 0.0625. So for c, we have 1.75 plus 1.5 all over 2. We will have 1.625. And for f of c, we have negative 0.3594. And for our b minus a, we have 0.25. This is our first iteration, second iteration, third iteration. So if we continue this in its 8th iteration, so we have 8, we will get 1.7266. For b, we have 1.7344. For function of a, we have negative 0.0189. For b, function of b, we have 0.0081. So for value of c, we have 1.7266. 0.7305. And for function of c, we have negative 0.0054. And for our b minus a, we have 0.0078. So since our b minus a is equal to 0.0078, which is less than 0.01, so we will stop our iteration here. So we can say, therefore, our approximate root of the function is at our c, which is 1.7305.